Yeah, hello. This is Forest Technology. My name is DK, and I'll be your host for today on how you can register your account in ST as a student. And for that, we are going to go through some series of platform reviews to see how what the STIPS Lite is used for and why you as a student, why do you need this STIPS Lite? So before we go, we know that STIPS is an e-tax application whereby it helps the academic students to provide support and manage their academic tasks effortlessly. So in any way they have, in any way given area they have, with just a tap, can get their academic tasks done at any time. And you must also understand there's some different type of key features that we have in STIPS. So we have the Azuma AI research, which is the AI chatbot. We have the text management, which is where students will send their tasks to the virtual assistant, and we have the presenter, whereby you can just with a tap of your button, with a tap of your phone, you can get your document print out and sent to you. And we have the wallet and payments flexible, and everything is using the app is very flexible to use. And going through that, and before as student before you can start register as a student, you must also sign up and set up your student profile in a minute, and also enter your tag details to use AI to get your research suggestion, and also track your activities in with just the app. And before we get started, we are going to review all that thing which will be coming on the next video we're going to have, which is the overview of the STIPS, the documentation of STIPS, how we are going to use it, and what we need to do, and what are the key basic understanding on usage of the STIPS app. So I will explain that in the next video. So you just check on our YouTube channel and follow us in our Facebook channel at Safari Technology or our LinkedIn channel at Safari Technology, and you will get latest updates on how you can use the STIP in a very friendly way. So let us get started as a student. So we have clicked to get started, and you want to create an account. So as the first timer, you will create an account for yourself. So let us click our name. Yes, let me use this. Okay, since I've already registered before, so let me use this and our password to register. Then confirm our password and create. So there is an error. Say password must be at least 8 character. Okay, so then we will start. They will create. Okay, so the password did not match. So let us redo again. Okay, the system said failed. because I've already used the application. So let's try a new app, a new email. Okay. So let me just try a new email. Let me just try a new email. Okay. Then we'll create an account. Okay. Please, now we have to go to our email and verify if our email so that we can sign up and log in back to our account. Okay. So let's go to our email and log in. Let's go to our email and confirm our account. So that will be just in a minute. So let's click login, then to confirm our account. Okay, we have confirmed our email. So let us log in to get it. Okay. Okay, so our credential is an error. So let us start again. Okay. Okay. So this is our student dashboard. This is our student dashboard. So we have successfully signed in to our dashboard. So let us screw around to see what we have now and check our features. So now let us check our features. We have the dashboard which show the tasks that have been approved, the task that is rejected, the task that is being completed, and we have our menu side, we have the Azuma AI, we have the submit tax, we have the tax history, we have the referral, we have the virtual assistance plus, we have the presenters, and we have our settings. So let us go to let us go to our dashboard to see how the systems look like since we just sign up. So let us check our Azuma AI to see how it works. Okay. So this is our AI attached to the STIPS Lite. So we want to ask a question that's pertaining to the educational system, pertaining to your study. Okay, let's just say for instance, I want to search on uh, the importance of occupational health in cybersecurity. Let's just say the importance of occupational health in computer science. Okay, so let us type the 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 importance of occupational. Okay, so let us ask. Okay, look at we have already given out the key indication search for us. You see, you have already searched what is it, and note in this at AI, it will bring out what the exact things you need. You bring out the reference, the citation, and everything. I also give you further stories for you to explore further. Okay, so we can explore further by clicking. You can explore further by clicking, and more research will be coming out. Okay, then you can also, okay, since we have already explored further, this is it. Okay, and also you can copy your documents or you download it or you download your documents by clicking download, or yes, and also you check your references. Yes, this is where you now check your references on where those information is being taken from. Okay, this will not be able you to cite your references whenever you are trying to check on your academic task on a particular academic books, journal, or article. Okay, so this will be able to give you the reference on where is from. Okay, so this is it for the Azuma AI. On another video is coming, we'll talk more about how you can use the Azuma AI to research your academic work very well. So let us go to the next one, uh, how to submit tax. So let us go submit tax. Okay. Now you are having an ethic day as a student, and you need to beat the deadline of submitting an assignment and do other things, personal things, and also get yourself ready to go out with friends. But you're having issue on how to handle this tax by going to the business centers to get your work done. But with just with just your fingertips, you can get everything done at the right time. So that's why FTP Lite is for you. So yeah, to submit tax, let's say for instance, we are given an assignment, or let's just use what we use in the chatbot. Okay, let us use the importance. We have an assignment on the importance of occupational health in computer science. So how do we get this assignment in the next few hours and submit it to the lecturer or to your instructor. So let us start. We go to the submit task and we click task type. Okay, so in this task type, we now indicate what type of task do you want to do. Is it an assignment, or a term paper, or a project work, or a research paper, or an assignment essay writing, or a thesis? So anyone. So you have to select which one you want to do. Since it's a term paper, let us pick term paper. And let us pick the deadline. So the deadline, do you want to collect it today? Do you want the virtual assistants to do it today? Your deadline, just give them the deadline. So you say, oh, on the 29th. Okay, that is today. So let's just say on the 30th. Okay, then you select the duration. Okay, then you select, oh, 2 hours, or you can select one day. Okay, then how many pages do you want? Okay, you just tell the virtual assistant, oh, you just tell, okay, 10 pages term paper. Okay, then you put the assignment title, the task you want to do. Okay, you say, oh, let me just put important, the importance of occupational health in computer science. Okay, then other informations. How do you want the work to be? Okay, that's what we now call. Okay, you need citation. You need font 12. Okay, okay. Let's say um, diagram, diagram if possible. Yes, we have diagram. Okay, so etc. Okay, then you can put any other information you like. Any other information, you can also add any other information to it. Okay, then we go to submit tasks. Okay, it's either you submit on AI to work with it, but it's already on development. So let's just go to submit tasks. Okay, now yeah, it's another place where the system will ask you, the app will ask you, do you want to submit it to a random virtual assistant, or do you want to submit it to a specific virtual assistant? Okay, so that one we talk it on our next video. Okay, so and to submit it on a special VA, this is whereby you assign a specific VA, virtual assistant, to work on your task, to be more faster than to submit it to a VA that you don't know. Because in the specific one, you know the VA, you know the virtual assistants, and the virtual assistants help you to get your work done. So if you submit it random, you can just get anybody to work on your task. So since to submit that to specify it as in the VA, we have to use VA Plus, and to submit to VA Plus, you have to be a subscriber to it. So let us work on it. So we haven't chosen any expert for it. So to qualify on VA Plus, we have to subscribe to the VA Plus. and add to the list. That's where you cannot assign a virtual assistant to work on your task. So let's go by. Let's just submit to a random VA. Okay, your task is now pending approval from a random VA. So this is our task here. Have you seen it? So you can also view it. You can also view our tags. Importance of occupational health in computer science, yes. Okay. Then we have to wait for the VA to work on our tags, to approve our tags and work with it. It will take like, depends on what VA will handle your tags. So let us wait for a seconds or a minute to get a VA to approve our tags. Okay, now our task is being approved. So we see our price and we are about to pay now. Let's just check our notification. Okay, so our notification has been approved for wait for payment. So let us go to payments, proceed. Okay, we can either use our credit cards to make payments, or we use the USSD, or we use the bank account or bank transfer. So let us use USD to make transfer. We pick our bank, proceed to payments. So wait till our payment is successful. Okay, our payment has been successful. So we are waiting for our task to get concluded. Okay, and in order to make the work hurry, you can also do other things. You can also file a query and chat your virtual assistants up and tell them what you can do and send a message to them on the on your about your particular task. Okay, so that is more another feature on its own. So let's just wait until our task is being done and we come back to it. So let us explore other features. So let's go to our referral. Okay, here you can Pick your referral link, you can copy it and also refer your friends, refer your colleagues to the system, and you also earn in the system. Okay, then we go to our print center. Okay, let us go to our VA Plus. Okay, yes, this is our VA Plus. Since this account has not been subscribed to the VA Plus, you can't use it because with the VA Plus, this is where you will now assign a specific virtual assistance to your system. And you also, with the VA Plus, you can also do query, send messages to your virtual assistants, and through the VA Plus, you can also do other features, okay, that attach to it. So, and more of it, you can also send multiple tasks to the system, and you get your work done within an hour. Okay, then let us subscribe, or do we want to subscribe? Okay, let us go to our presenters. Okay, let us view the subscription method first. Okay, this is a flexible subscription plans. So we have the plans of the 1,000 naira plans, monthly plans. We have the annual plans, which is very flexible. Okay, this is very flexible to use. So either you pick any of the plans you can use and subscribe to it and get your tasks done easier and faster. So let us go to the print center. Okay, these are print center. These are print center. You have to search each in any given state you are. You have to search your state, and all the print center we have will come in, and you have to select the specific print center you want. Okay, so like for instance, I'm in Lagos, so okay, yeah, there's only one print center at Lagos. So let us view the details of the print center to see and add it to our list. When we want to print, we can just print it from them direct. So okay, this is the address of the print center. You can also check the map of it. Okay, so you can check the map of where the print center is through a click. Okay, so by clicking here, you can just get the print center at location at once, and can also check the details and other details on about the print centers, and also you can choose it. Okay, so let us add this to our print list. Let us add to lists. Okay, we have already added to them. So my shop list. So now we will come back to this after we have already gotten our task that is being working on by the virtual assistant. So we'll come back to our presenter and see how we can get a faster printing of our academic work. So we have already done that. So let us go to our settings to create our profiles and design our profiles to look good for us. So let's go to our setting, go to profile. Okay, okay, see, we are still on free plans, so we need to upgrade to VA Plus to get all our features active. Okay, so let us edit our profile. Okay, let us use 080. Okay, then let's just use our institution, University of Lagos. Okay. Then our passports. Let us pick something that is very nice. Let's pick something that's very nice and select. Okay. Let's pick this. Okay. Let us use this as our passport. Okay. You can also add your account number if you want, and you can also add your account number if you want. So we do that later. Okay. We do that later. So let us save. Okay. We have already saved our profile successfully. So let's go and check if our task has been done. Okay. Let's go to our dashboard. Okay. So we're waiting for a notification on our task. If the virtual assistants have already completed, okay. Now I think we have gotten a new notification on our task. So let us click it. Okay. Your task, the importance of your destiny has been completed. So let's just check it. Okay. Now this is our task that has been completed. We can download it. You can download it from here. You can click download to get it. Okay. You can download it to save it. Or we go here. Since our task has been done, now we can now rate the VA. Let us rate the VA. Okay. Good. Then we submit rating. Okay. Then if we have any other issue with the query, you can just say, okay, let me just file a query to the virtual assistants. Okay. Then we send, waiting for the virtual assistants to reply. Then we wait for the reply from the virtual assistant. And before we're waiting for the reply for the virtual assistants, let us go to print our documents. So let us send to print. Okay. Then we pick our files we want to print. So let us pick a file to print. Anyone we do. So let us pick a file to print. Okay. Let's print this one. Okay. Black and white, or you put color, black and white. How many pages? 10 pages. Do you want to spider bind? We click spider bind. A4. Then we send. So we are sending it to our shop center to print our work. Okay. So let us check our print job. So we are going to send it to print our work. Okay. So let us go and check our reply from our VA, whether he has replied to our query. Okay. Okay. Let us go and check and wait for our query. Okay. Okay. The virtual assistant have already replied to our query. Okay. They're going to check on the task. So with this, you can also query your task swap to the virtual assistant and get a reply instantly. Okay. So that is it for the S task. I will send tasks to the virtual assistants. I will send tasks to the print center to print our work and get our work faster. So with this application, you'll be able to help with the students to understand and get our academic works easier. So with the AI inclusive with the AI inclusive and the submit tags and everything and the e-task management, you can get your academic work in your fingertips in anywhere you are and get a virtual assistant to work on it at any time. And also, you can also get a virtual assistant to print your work at any time. So this is it with the usage of the STIPS Lite, and more version is coming on how you can use the STIPS Lite to improve your academic performance. So let's sign out, and get ourselves done. Yes, we've already signed out, and we go to our app homepage. So this is how you successfully sign in and sign out in STIPS Lite, and work and submit your tasks and do everything that pertaining to STIPS tab, and also use the powered AI tools for your academic work. So, and I will hope to see you next time in another video. Thank you.